Hi guys, it's Jen again. Today I have my favorite sushi place where I live. So let me show you what is on the menu. Tonight we have veggie tempura. We have an albacore tuna roll with shrimp tempura inside. I really love this place, so yeah, I get as much as I can eat. So, and I have, here is California roll, and here is spicy tuna roll with avocado. So yeah, I will show you them as I am eating them. So try this. So we have tempura asparagus, and then we have its sauce as well. It's really good. I live in a small city. I born and raised LA. Then we moved to a small city in Washington. This place that I go to is really good. It's the only place that I could get really good sushi. If I was in LA, I'd probably make it myself because I can get the fresh ingredients that I need to make. I really love, the spicy tuna. That's my favorite, and you can't get spicy tuna where I live now, so yeah. Really delicious. Damn cats. I have cats, and so they're making it present. Everybody's in bed, so I can do this. And the boys are in bed. My husband's in the other room. I love cats, and seems like all they're gonna do is disturb. I like to eat the tempura first, so it's still a little warm. Just like to eat that first. Get full on tempura and not eat my sushi. It's really just yummy. Other asparagus. I didn't used to like asparagus for the longest time. Because my aunt, when I was little, she would make it from a can. And it was all yucky and gummy, and so I went on a cruise and they had fresh asparagus there, and I tried it and I was like, wow, fresh asparagus is pretty good. Those things you remember from your childhood, huh? Really, really good. I almost picked up the wasabi thinking it was broccoli. That would have been a funny video, huh? But all that wasabi she just ate. So I get my sushi without ginger because ginger upsets my stomach and it leaves sores in my mouth. A natural root. That's nice. I'm allergic to it. Alright, let's get started. I always go into my sushi place and I ask the guys behind the counter making the sushi and ask them, what do you recommend? And lately they've been recommending me get sushi with fruit on it. And you know, I got it the last 2 times. Oh my god. I got it the last 2 times and I don't know, I really didn't. I liked it, but I didn't, if that makes sense. I liked it, but then it was like, oh man, could have had something more savory. Okay, here we go. First bite, first impression. Oh my god, they have shaved garlic on here. It's like, oh my goodness, it's really delicious. I want another piece. That's how delicious it is. No, sushi chef always puts some shredded radish in for me, and I always cause my try sushi with that. And put red onions. Oh man, that is right in there. That hits the spot. Oh, radish. Some fish left over in my mouth and it was delicious. Oh man, I want another one. Let's go for a third and then we'll have some spicy tuna. Let's see. Spicy tuna. This has spicy tuna in it as well. And of course I'm dipping it in sriracha because I love spiciness. Oh my goodness, this one is good. This is a good recommendation. I'm kind of a noob with chopsticks though, but I'm working on it. I can pick stuff up, feed my face with it. Let's try California roll. Yum yum đến giòn. And of course with them daikon, I think this is daikon radish. I always serve it to me. Before I had the boys, I'd always go in there. And now he says, why you not come in? I was like, because I have kids. Oh, I'm thirsty. Of course. I'm not cold. Excuse me. Oh, here's the spicy tuna. I'm about to drop it. Spicy tuna with cucumber, avocado. Oh, I just dropped it. Now let's drop it in my mouth. This one is still really good too. See, I'm a noob. Damn chopsticks. You think as a chef I would know how to use them really good, huh? Oh no, too salty. I was not prepared for that one. World of Warcraft, huh? You are not prepared. Yes, I play World of Warcraft. Alright, this is working out. Ooh. This one is really good with all the flavors. Damn cats. I'm gonna throw these damn cats in the trash. That one, that's spicy dragon. And there's, I'm not sure what it has in it, but I know it has tempura jalapeno, and then it has a jalapeno slice on top of it. Ooh, when I eat that one, that's one of my favorite because I love spicy. Let's say this. Oh, that's so delicious. As you can see, I'm left-handed, huh? Did anyone notice that yet? We're about to drop this though. Some more radish. There's not too much in things that I won't eat. I went in there, I think, one night after the boys were born. And I'm not really too much of a miso person. So, you know, I'm like, okay, I'll try it and I'll try it. I guess the chef at the restaurant's like, try miso soup and try it with this and that. You will like it. And I'm like, okay. Excuse me, I'm not gonna say no to the guy rolling my sushi. Oh well. So I tried it. It was pretty good, but still not a fan of it. How can it be pretty good, but I'm still not a fan, right? So I don't know. But this is all still really good. It isn't good unless it's on your blouse. Ooh, almost dropped it again. My hands hurt. Oh, I dropped it. Oh, look at that yummy goodness. This is really good. Oh man. So 8, 8, 16, 17, 19, 25 rolls tonight. Let's see if I can do it. Oh, watch. Usually when the chef puts something in there, I usually eat it with it. I always put lettuce in here. The shaved garlic on top of this one. Holy shit. It's really delicious. California roll. I can finish with that one for right now. My stomach was definitely bigger than my eyes were. No, my eyes were bigger than my stomach. Yeah, that's it. Well, I don't know if I can do anymore. Save some. I don't even know how sushi is left over. Honestly, no, really. Like I said, I'm just not gentle unless it's on my bowels. Excuse me. So when I was real little, I got a big chunk of wasabi. Whew. Anyways. When I was little, my my biological mother used to say yup to a lot of things in front of us, but then turn around and make us eat it, right? Always say yup to fish. Always say yup to liver and onions, which I really enjoy. So I didn't really enjoy much stuff when I was a little kid because she said yuck. And then my first year of college, way back in 1999, 98, 99, I tried sushi for the first time and somebody said yuck, and so I was like, okay, you're gonna say yuck, I'm just gonna yuck it back up. It wasn't until I was 25 years old when I had good sushi. I mean, I tried when I found out that I liked it. I tried it a lot. I tried a lot of it. I really liked it. The one thing I'm waiting to try is sea urchin. My dad's gonna take me to try that one day when I go back to California. So, where was I going? So yeah, now that I love sushi, I love to eat it. I don't think my boys can handle the raw fish yet, because that's what I'm eating is raw fish, except for the California roll. I don't think they can handle it, and my husband doesn't like it either, so I just eat it myself. As you can tell, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 7 rolls left and I can't finish it because I'm full. Let's try this. Yummy, yummy, and mutton yummy. Oh, there we are. It's really delicious. So, sorry, I was all over the place. I just wanted to get something up for you guys. Yeah. But I guess the moral of my story is don't say yuck in front of your kids because it'll stick with them. Like, I never say yuck in front of my boys. You know, if it has to do with cheese, I eat it just because so they won't say yuck, or so they have an open mind about it. So yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna eat this lettuce. It's kind of sweet. So, no tempura was good. That was really good. So I'm going to let you go because the video is getting longer and longer. So again, we had sushi. Have fun. Bye guys.